In example 9, we still have a system of two equations, and our second equation has a single rational expression. What we'll do to start things off will be to multiply both sides of this second equation by y to eliminate that rational expression. Meaning equation 2 will become y squared plus 17y plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. Now we can look at using elimination. If we apply or multiply equation 2 by negative 1, equation 1 will remain unchanged, and equation 2 will become minus y squared minus 17y minus 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. Adding together our like terms, the y squared terms will cancel out, the y squared terms will cancel out, the y terms will cancel out, and the constant terms will cancel out, leaving us with just x squared minus 6x is equal to 0. Factoring out an x will leave us with x times x minus 6 is equal to 0, giving us two different values for x, 0 and 6. From there, we need to go back and find out what our corresponding values for y would be. If we go back to equation 1, we can plug in our value of x is equal to 0, which will give us y squared plus 17y minus 18 is equal to 0. Factoring would give us y plus 18 times y minus 1 is equal to 0, meaning we would get solutions of negative 18 and positive 1. That will give us two coordinate pairs of solutions. Now we'll repeat that process, but instead plug in positive 6. Which will in this case give us y squared plus 17y plus 36 minus 18 is equal to 0, or y squared plus 17y is equal to 0. Factoring out a y will give us y times the quantity y plus 17 is equal to 0, meaning we get two solutions, y is equal to 0 or negative 17. If we pay attention to our problem though, we should know to throw out this value of y equal to 0, because if we look at equation 2, we have a y in the denominator, so this system of equations has a restricted value that y cannot equal 0. Again, even though we came up with that result, we have to know to throw it out based off the original problem, meaning we have in this case only three solutions. When we plugged in x equals 0, we could get y equals negative 18 or positive 1. And when we plug in x is equal to 6, we generate two values, but only one is valid. The other gets thrown out. So we get the coordinate pair 6, negative 17.